I'm still on holiday. I'm at a place called Waterside, and I've been here before. Waterside, it's on Ride. I'm going home today, but I'll be coming back on Monday, because the weather just wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. So I'm going to see what birds I can find and see what's going on here today. I mean, last time I come here I was attacked. Well, I think it was the time before. So let's see what's going on here today. Some swans here. Look, some of them flying in. Look at that. Hello. I got. What a. Oh, well done. Look at that. There you go. Swans coming. They're all coming this way. Did you see the way he flew? It looks like he recognised me from last time. They hurt a little bit more than pigeons do, I must admit. Right, let's go and see the swan. Hello, swan. They're all coming this way. Right, let's see if they follow me. It's this one, like a white goose. A white goose. A bit shy, aren't you? No pigeons yet. Got these kind of. Look at that one there, that yellow duck. Different, isn't it? He's with a mallard duck. We have got a pigeon here. There's the first pigeon. So what I want to do is go and sit over here. This one's coming out. They're all following me. Let's go and have a bird party. Hello. Hello. Yeah, let's go over here. You have to come over here because I'm going to sit down. So I've just been walking miles. There's two swans coming my way. Another swan over there. Here we go. There's the seat. It's lovely and warm today. Come on. Sun's just coming out for the first time in a long time. Listen to the sounds they make. They're excited. Ouch! God. You know, this one jumping out. Seagull, the baby herringbulls. Beautiful purple-headed duck. God, what a noise they make, eh? So yeah, I'm really. Oh look, there's one of those. I don't know what they are. I can't remember what they're called. Those ones. A lot of different birds there, aren't there? There's a pigeon here. Only one pigeon here today. Last time I come here, there was a few pigeons. Put some nuts down for the pigeon. What's that? Oh well. Ouch! He's attacking me. Don't know what those white ones are. There's two of them. White geese. Ouch! Out. That beautiful brown duck there. They keep attacking me. Ouch! Look how violent they are. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to zoom it in like that. It is nice having birds all the way around me. Look at that island now, I'd love to live there. Wow! Wow! They look like each other, don't they? They're beautiful, aren't they, those little ones? Like a baby Canadian geese. They've got the same sort of heads, haven't they? Gosh, what a fight that was, eh? Got more coming in. Got some more pigeons over here. Oh my gosh, they are really having a fight today, aren't they? They really are. And these little ducks here, I don't know what you call them. I said no, shouldn't I? Because I know a lot about birds. Got two of those now. I'm going to have to find out what they are. I've got. Oh, this is great fun. The sun's out, that's the thing, you know. I thought I'll go home today and feed Perky again. And I've got to sort out a few things at home. Oh my god, what's that all about? Oh, look at that look. Oh my gosh. Bird Island. Bird Island. I would love to live there. Oh my goodness. Bird Island, that is. I'd have a little house on right in the middle of that. And I'll go and feed the birds every day. And get attacked by swans. That'd be amazing. More coming. Those little ones don't come out, do they? Look, they've got funny eyes. I'll show you. Oh, where's it gone? It went underneath the water, I think. Disappeared underneath the water. Wonder what's going to happen next. Oh no, we got some more swans coming. And they're dangerous. We've got 3 more swans coming this way. I don't think swans like nuts, but they might do. There's a big herring gull, but they don't like seeds, I don't think. They just like fish. And sometimes they eat birds. I've seen them eat pigeons. So a couple more swans coming out. Lovely, beautiful day. That'd be amazing if I lived there. Maybe I will move there. Right in the middle, no one would see me, would they? I wonder if there's going to be another fight. I'm glad those other swans are not coming out. Oh, we've got 4 swans here now. Got one with the orange head there, can you see? Got an orange head, that one. And that one's biting me down here. Ouch! There you go, mate. Ouch! You don't have to hurt me. Yeah. There's those ducks. Look at them. They're different, aren't they? The male and the female there. And just at least the sun's coming out. It's like, that's why I've just not done much, because it's just too cold and windy. I mean, I enjoyed meeting that girl yesterday. When I at the pier, Veronica, ouch. And it's nice when you just get total strangers coming up to you and just having a nice time. We had basically a nice few moments together. Oh, look at this pigeon. Looks like shark. There it is. So I wonder if there's going to be another fight. You never know. And they seem to be calmer now. Funny, aren't they? Ouch. He's violent. He don't care if he hurts me. It's lucky that if their beaks were any sharper than this, they would cut me. Ouch! You greedy. Look how much he eats. Ouch! He's hungry, isn't he? He's a hungry little pig. Whoa, 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 whoa. Swan fight. Swan's getting angry. Get it. You can see right through their nose. There's a little hole there, I'll show you. Well, they've got to be at the right angle, but the little hole in their nose goes right through. Like a little hole. Just might see. They're always fighting, aren't they? I do enjoy being there. There you go. There you go. Look at that one there. Don't know if that's a mallard or what. A mallard gone wrong. Look at the wings, look at the beauty in these swans, look at the whiteness. They fluff their feathers up like that. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if they like the nuts. I don't know. I have to Google to see if pigeons like nuts. Oh, I'm sorry, swans. That's the orange-headed one coming out. He's hungry, this one, isn't he? God. He's eating most of the bag for himself, this one has. And my fingers. Ouch. Ouch, you naughty swan. He does hurt. I don't know why I'm feeding you. Oh look, he's just horrible. God, he got no manners, has he? I don't mind if they bite my fingers. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch. I don't like feeding swans, they hurt. Ouch.
If I'm gonna have a red hand, I'm telling you. Yeah, they mark me. They mark my hand, making my hand red. Right. I think I'm going to call it a bird day, because the thing is, I've got a pack. Look at these ducks coming in. But I'm coming back Monday. What's that, pigeon? What's up? Here we go. No fight. Another fight building up. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Get inside there. Beautiful, that. I don't think he'll let me stroke him. Nope. Oh no, another one coming out. How many swans have we got here now? 7, I think. 7 swans. That's not a swan. Looks like one a bit. So I'm going to call that day. I enjoyed feeding them. Apart from the swans, they hurt me. So what I do is see if they follow me. Hello. They're following me. Some of them are. There's still a lot of food there. Nice. Swans following me. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Bird Island, look at that. Have a good day, love all birds and be happy.